Not happy with my welding, but I mean, it's... Hi, welcome back. Thanks. Tonight we're gonna keep it kind of simple. We're gonna clean that up, spray a little weld through primer, cut that piece to fit in here, and hopefully weld it up. That's about all I think I'm gonna get done today. It's late again, it's pushing midnight, so don't got very long to be out here, but I think we can at least get that piece cut and tacked in before it gets too late. All right, we got this pretty clean and spray with that rust converter. What I'm gonna do is come in here, hit with a little sandpaper, maybe grind that area down just a little bit to get it more flat. Sand that down too. We're gonna try to knock this back so we can weld to this. And once we get all this done, we'll put our new piece up, mark it on the back side, and then start fitting it. Probably put a couple of tech screws, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3, and a few through here. Don't know if I'm gonna try a spot weld through the back. I may at a later time, but I think my plug welds will hold that pretty well. And of course, we have to stitch weld this through here. Try to get this knocked out tonight and be ready to start taking this off next time. Yeah, we got it in there. It's not pretty, but I don't know what that squeaking is. I think it's stuck. It seems a little, maybe a little weak. Might have to go over it again. You can see we still got holes. This is still a little high. It can come down some more. But over here, I believe it's pretty good. So for right here, might need to go over that one again. But the rest of them seem to be stuck in pretty good. The whole thing moves. May be good. But we'll probably grind this down and probably put more weld. Try to tie it in better. I think the back side looks like the other side. Pretty nasty. But we'll clean all that up too eventually. Once we get the kick panel in, we'll go up to probably about right here. Then we'll flip this back over, both of them. And I'll probably just tech screw it down and put it into the kick panel. I think we had a successful night. I'm not happy with my welding, but I mean, seems like it's in there pretty good. I might see if there's any kind of like metal-based filler or something we can put in it. Kind of smooth it out, so hopefully you won't notice it that much. Yeah, it's in. You want to push on that whole thing. Both of them move, so I think that's a good sign. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I just want to get that hole kind of patched. I think we got it, but we'll need to go back over it and grind some more down. Need to get that flat so the kick panel will fit flat to it. Next time, we'll start drilling spot welds and cutting out the door pillar. I don't know how far we'll get. I hate to do a video just over drilling spot welds, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm going to take y'all and everything I do to it, so here comes the boring stuff. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you very much. Like I said, it helps the channel out tremendously. It helps me out. Got some cleanup to do, so I'll get that knocked out. If you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Over the Bronco, I think it's supposed to be dry enough this week. I'm definitely going to try to turn over the Healy. That needs to be cranked over so the engine don't seize. I'd hate to imagine what it costs to get that engine fixed. And start the Camaro up too. It needs to be started up and idle for a little while. But other than that, we'll be putting the driver's side back to take it off and put it back on. After stitch welding that, I'm not looking forward to stitch welding the inner rocker down here, but I think it'll be easier for me to do that than it would be to get back behind it and mess with all that. And then got a bunch of grinding to do, but I'm gonna try to get on that during off days and get that knocked out so we can have it all in that self-etching primer. And then I'll be happy with how the body is at the moment. But anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.